Dato site, which is located in Gaza, Peralatan.
Hi, I'm Damia.
Hi, I'm Raisha.
Hi, I'm Frizana.
And my name is Yojashi.
April 2025. As pollution from organic waste continues to rise in cities and communities, with landfills overflowing and harmful gases being released into the air, environmental experts have raised serious concern about the long-term effect of unmanaged waste. In response to this growing problem, we have designed a simple and eco-friendly solution, a biogas system that turns everyday organic waste into clean, usable energy. Our goal is to reduce pollution and help the planet, one step at a time.
How does it function? First, we mix food waste with water and pour it into the air container. Close the lid and leave it in a warm place. Inside the air container, bacteria break down the waste and make gas. After a few days, the gas flows through a pipe into a balloon. We can use that gas to power a small burner to cook or heat things.
So, why build this product? To conclude, too much waste, not enough clean energy. This project solves two problems simultaneously. It reduces organic waste and creates clean energy that can benefit the environment and people's daily lives.
What are the benefits of this product? Firstly, reduces organic waste, as less trash goes to landfills. Secondly, creates clean energy by turning waste into biogas, which can be used for cooking or heating. Thirdly, save money, since free fuel lowers energy bills. Fourthly, eco-friendly, because it helps reduce pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. Fifthly, great for rural areas, since it provides energy where gas or electricity is hard to get. Sixth, and lastly, easy to build, as it uses simple materials and is low cost.
Here are the 2D and 3D models of our product, including the tools used. Materials and costs. All materials can be purchased at Mr. DIY, and here is the cost for each item. This makes the total sum of the product is 29 ringgit 30 cents.
That's all from us, Bloomcycle. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you!